Porcupine Stand here on YouTube and also SOTV Football. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Well, as usual, unim say eba Selbet and the brand media, we come to the place where the action is happening. Yeah, ba ebe jina baby ade ne koso na yehu de koso ankasa na yetimi apɛ the needed report a se ne fata ne de aba besom wo ene yaba bedru Kumasi Asante Kotoko training grounds for the much awaited Asante Kotoko training after the exit of 21 players. I'm penning for seeing Chirimu. Ebi contract na ewu na ebi so de no club ni terminate and ebi so your players are on my extend your contract no free club no. Enti yaba be hwe de ebi si wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko training ground because we all know say the remaining players are Kotoko say obi say Freddy Kasare and Fatau say the two goalkeepers. Oko defense aka Henry Ansu, Justice Blay, Yusuf Nuruddin, na Emmanuel Korte, Prince Adasa, Dawuni Yaya, official club ninja as our players the coin. But we know that Dawuni and the Prince Adasa are players that can likely go on loan. Inti Oshohono Krana and HSA, a SWAT in Finfin, it's been confirmed that Morrison will not be part of the team. Inti say next Ababeka obi to say inti menu Michael Che Jamana Baba Yaya Bernard Sumwa still there's no communication officially, so he's still a player of Asante Kotoko and a Peter Aminu Akwa. Players be bring so today we are not expecting Kalu Atara, we are not expecting Mukwala, we are not expecting Richmond Lamte, Enoch Morrison, Isaac Opong, Nicholas Mensah, Kalu Atara, Julius Ofor Zigi, Dalad Ibrahim, the captain, we are not expecting him. You ever heard whether Sharif Mohammed midfielder will recover enough say ne obitima be started training and you ever share a hono so you ever heard say whether a abrantia friend yes, so that is it. There's no Sharif Mohammed defender, there's no Samuel Asamoah Hussein Sahaku Augustine in Japan, Nicholas Osei-Bonsu, John Tedeku, Nana Benyini Amwa. These are players we are not expecting today our training grounds. Again, there's the news which have been confirmed, but has been confirmed that coach your friend Ogum acquire surgery, so he will not be part of the team. So we heard David Oklu, and there have been a lot of rumors that there will be foreign players coming to the venue today. We shall see on a project in the course, but we will go to the project later. But a story that foreign players are Emma Mekachams Menyanti said 3 players were Asante Kotoko Fiho. So we will look into that and see whether foreign players now is indeed true some about. Currently, we are looking at around 12 players available at the moment for Asante Kotoko. 12 players. So we will see whether 12 players cannot prepare for a game. And this preparation is ahead of the Democracy Cup against Hartlepool. Has a starting the training that they started long ago. So we'll be looking into that specifically to know whether how many players will be coming. They are not in at the moment. Training is supposed to start at 9 by Abahadada. You know, when it comes to Sobet and Nem's job, I get here early to study the grounds, know the terrain, and give you the best of report. So we are waiting for them. Very soon they will be coming in. But let's do other news whilst we are waiting for them. Well, we know that there will be foreign players. And interview opinion of Alexander Menu we know there will be foreign players that will join the team. And Yate, a bit from Ethiopia, Yate, a bit from Sudan, Yate, a bit from Ivory Coast. So we'll be looking into all that. Now, I think say Menya Kanaba, Kotoko Bas, no. I'm getting a feeling that the Kotoko Bas is in. Yes, Bas Naba, Eba, so yes, we are here and we'll get you the best of report live from the AJ Sports Complex and know what is happening, the players that are coming in and all the other conversations around them. So the bus is in and we'll try and get you footages to make the job better. Well, Timbers never be true for the sake of preventing the footage of the training. This is the best place to shoot from. So this shows you that we are currently at Adakwajachi, the AJ Sports Complex, watching the training of Asante Kotoko. After the long break and after the exit, Timbers never be do. Like I was telling you earlier on, we were waiting for the Timbers. The Timbers is in. The players have gotten down, and we are going to give you a report of exactly what is happening today at the AJ Sports Complex. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Well, team in Bedru, you know, 10 players and a form. 10 players and a form with team no two goalkeepers in Fatau Seidu. Two goalkeepers in Fatau Seidu and Abrante friend Freddy Kasai. These are the two goalkeepers wɔn etimi show up ne ɛwɔ team no mu. On-field players and our players on the field are available to play for Kotoko. When it comes to playing, 10 players. One, Henry Ansu Justice Blade. Mehu Yusuf Nuruddin at the moment. Mehu Yusuf Nuruddin. But after this report, I'll go back and watch the training. Mehu Yusuf Nuruddin. So Henry Ansu, Justice Blade, Emmanuel Kote, these are players in defense. Now, Obabinya in team menu, Michael Chejamana, na wenya Prince Adasa, na wenya Bernard Somwa, Babayaya. These are players many Ikaso Ewahase. So in total, 10 players in a training grounds. This is the early submission. Team NSC players, all the technical team members are present at the moment. All the technical team members are present at the moment. Omo any present, no only coach, your friend Ogum officially one show up. So the team is being led by David Okulu. By even 5 minutes, but team players ni players ni obi asha kotko atade kama Rebecca say Echidin our started training and pay here from the AJ Sports Complex. There are some fans here. We'll speak to them at the right time to know exactly what is happening and their impression of Kotoko returning and coming back to trade. So that is it. This is early submission. We want to go and watch the training, jot things down properly, and give you the best of feedback. But honestly, the fact is players here are not up to 20. No, for one foreign player, one unknown player. What dying or no one whom we will talk about later in a subsequent video. So this is Porcupine Stand. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.